The Punjab governor is actually yet to give his assent to that bill which has been passed by the Punjab Assembly last week to denotify land acquired for that canal. But some Congress leaders have already launched a drive to fill the canal, while the Badal government has returned money spent by Haryana. The case also comes up in the Supreme Court today.
Punjab's latest move is being seen as one of the most divisive steps in post-independent India. Clearly hitting a new low just to win votes in the next elections, the Punjab politicians, both from the Congress and the Akalis, announced that Punjab will no longer share river water with Haryana. The state will effectively overturn all earlier agreements and historic treaties. Punjab political leaders announced that they will now take the extreme step and block the canals that carry water from Punjab to Haryana. Blocking interstate canals has never happened before, especially in this destructive manner.
ਗੱਲ ਦੀ ਗੰਭੀਰਤਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਵਧੀਆ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਗਵਰਨਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਭਾਵਨਾਵਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਇੱਕ ਕਨਸਟੀਟਿਊਸ਼ਨਲ ਅਥਾਰਟੀ ਨੇ ਗਵਰਨਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਲੈਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਐਲੀਗੇਸ਼ਨਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਲਾਉਣੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦੇਣੀਆਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਵੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ.
The process of blockage has begun. The farmers of Punjab are being asked to fill up the canal with mud, and once the canal is full and cannot be used for water, the farmers are being asked to start growing crops on the newly reclaimed land inside the canal.
अकाली दल की सरकार की नीयत खोटी है, इसलिए हमने आज मैंने ऐलान किया है पूरी कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से कि जितनी जमीन है वो उसके मालिक हैं, जो जितनी SYL के नीचे जमीन है उसके जितने मालिक हैं उस पर पूरा कब्जा कर लें.
Hundreds of crores of rupees and years of effort have gone into constructing the Satluj-Yamuna canal. All that work is being reversed. Many observers are predicting that if Punjab is allowed to get away with the filling up of canals with mud in order to block the flow of water, this could be the beginning of water wars between other states across the country. Already, Haryana politicians have issued a warning that they may stop canal water flowing to Delhi and block the Haryana-Delhi canals.
और जब आरक्षण के दौरान यहाँ नहर पंचर कर दिया गया था और जब दिल्ली को पानी नहीं मिल रहा था, तब किस तरह से केजरीवाल हाय तौबा मचा रहे थे. अगर वो हमारा पानी बंद करवाना चाह रहे हैं तो हमें दिल्ली का पानी तुरंत बंद करना चाहिए ताकि केजरीवाल की अकल ठिकाने आए.
Political analysts warn that what is currently happening between Punjab and Haryana is a dangerous precedent that could destroy the federal unity of the country, with interstate battles for water causing a series of major conflicts between states. It's time the Supreme Court intervenes before it is too late. With Anand Patel in Chandigarh, Madhusudan for NDTV.